Hello, welcome back to the channel. It has been a day, okay? Pardon me, I know y'all be mad when I don't have nails on, but again, it's been a day. So today we are going to be budgeting out another paycheck from the budgeting business. Again, it's just $1,100, my standard paycheck. We're not going to be doing any bills, cash envelopes, or debt today, just sinking funds and savings challenges. So I'm actually going to sit this over to the side here and let's get into it. So I just got through enjoying a wonderful weekend with my nieces. We had a great time. I hadn't seen them in a while. And I am tired. I had all 5 of them here. And they range from ages 1 to 18 and a half, as she tells it. So it was quite a weekend. But that's okay. I'm just so grateful to have any time that I do with them. So first up, we are going to be stuffing our sinking funds here. So let's get into our first binder. And up first here we have our savings, and to our savings we're going to be adding $110. So 100 here and a 10. All right, so our new total here in savings is 1,102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2,000, 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 300, 305, 307, 308. So 2,000, ooh, that fly. $2,308 in savings. Alrighty. So next up, we have our retirement funds. And here we're gonna just add $100. I went from adding 50 to 100 because my goal for this year is to max out my IRA, which is $6,000. So you'll see over the next few months that I will be contributing more to this fund. So 1,000, 100, 110, 120. So that's all part of the plan, is to start slowly investing in retirement as of right now to get my credit improved and to pay off debt. So I'll start the pay off debt journey here at the end of next month. So to debt, we'll be adding $50. Our new total here is 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 550, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So we have $690 in debt. And so what I'm learning in my credit repair journey is that it's less about your old mistakes. So most of the stuff I messed up was over 2 years old, and it's more about the building part of your credit. So I'm not so worried about some of those older collections. I want to pay them eventually, but right now I'm just trying to report more positive history than anything. So to new WIP, we are going to be adding, oh, I went ahead and added in a 1K slip. I found an extra one, so I did that off camera. But today we're going to be adding $300. So 1, 2, 3. So our new total here is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So $3,700 towards a new car, which Lord knows when I'm going to be able to get it. I haven't been able to find anything. And if you'll stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to give y'all some information on a collaboration giveaway for back to school. I don't have all the details in front of me right now, so I'll tell you guys at the end of the video. It's a really cute little giveaway with some of my favorite ladies on YouTube. So next up is emergency. Into emergency, we're going to be adding 35. So 20, 30, and 5. All right, so our new total here is 1,000, 100, 150, 170, 190. Excuse me, y'all. 210, 220, 225, 226. Okay, so $1,226 in our emergency fund. And I think my first goal for this fund is going to be $5,000. My next goal, excuse me. So up here we have medical. And to our medical fund, we're going to be adding $20. New total here, 100, 200, 300, $350, $400, $420. So I know a lot of you guys were inquisitive about credit repair, so leave me questions that you have and I'll give you some of the information that I've learned. Once I finish going through this program in this group, I'm going to refer you guys to it if it works out for me. I don't want to send you somewhere and I'm not sure how good it is, you know, but I'm trying to do it on my own. So 50, 100, 150, 170, 175. So we have 175 in family time. I'm going to be pulling some money out of here soon from the money I spent this weekend. So that's it for this binder. Our next binder here, we are going to be stuffing. First of all, let me go in and do something real quick. I purchased my niece a comforter for her dorm room and I forgot to take the money out. Okay, because I'll get to counting and wonder what I messed up. All right, first up here is our miscellaneous fund, and to this fund we are going to be adding $20. So our new total here, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 205. So 205 here for miscellaneous. All right, for travel, we are going to be adding $25 as well. Grab a 25. So in travel, we have 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, 610, 615, 620. Okay. So we have $1,620 in our travel fund, and we were all going to go to this family wedding, but with my business the way it is, I don't know if I can be away for that long right now, so I'm unsure. I'm really thinking about just booking a quick trip to Mexico and taking my girls, but we'll see. So for Jasmine's Essentials, we're going to be adding $30. So add a 20. Let me face it the right way. That's annoying. And a 10. So we have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 650, 670, 680, $685. Alrighty. So next up we have gifts, and to this fund we are going to be adding $25. So our new total here is 100, 200, 3, 4, 420, 440, 460, 465. All right. For Christmas, we're going to be adding $30. So we're going to take a 20 and a 10. And here now we have 1, 200, 220, 240, 250, 260, 265. So I'm not sure what if I'm gonna keep stuffing this Christmas fund. I'm thinking about taking this money and giving it to like a local family in need. I'm not sure yet. We're not big Christmas people, but I know, you know, kids like getting gifts, so I like to get them things, but I don't know. We'll see. So Rico is getting $10. Why am I grabbing 100? Lord help. $10. So 100, 150, 170, 180, 185. You know, we didn't grow up in my household traditionally very Christmassy people, but the girls seem to like it when I celebrate them. So I'm going to try to do something. So for insurance, we're going to be adding $25. And again, this is for my car insurance. I have car insurance now, but my car was really old. So it's just liability. So I'm just trying to save up to start paying, you know, for a fully covered car. So insurance, we now have $50, $70, $90, $95, $100. Okay. Next up, we have car maintenance, and that one we'll be receiving a 20. So we now have $50 in there. Okay. And next up is the boobies, and so we'll be using this one for a breast reduction. And I heard a lot of you guys telling me about health insurance and to try to use my health insurance. 50, 70, 90, 95, 97, 98. But y'all, I'm self-employed, so I haven't got any insurance for myself yet. I'm currently looking at plans, so I'm just saving up in case, you know, because I want it like soon. So whichever happens first, you know, so that I can still pay for it if I need it. Because honey, the way my back pain is set up, and I know most people that comment say it was the best decision ever, and listen, I'm willing to risk it because it's messing with my quality of life. So to bills, we're going to be adding 50. So we now have $100 in our bill fund. And last but not least is household, and this is a new one I just added. I think I should have some left over. If not, I'll just start stuffing this one next time. I'm not really sure. I was rushing through this, y'all. I've been so busy. Okay, so that's everything. So let me go through and do my challenges, and then whatever I have left, I'll put in our household fund. So for the first challenge we'll be doing is our 52-week savings challenge. Okay, and so this week I wanted to pick another big number. I picked 175. Where is it? Okay, 175. So 100, 150, 170, and 5. I really want this to be $10,000 by the end of the year, but is that realistic? Probably not. So we'll just get what we get. And then I had some 10s left over from some other stuff, so I wanted to add those to my $10 challenge, which is here. Y'all, I've really been trying to work these challenges. Any extra money I get, I've been really trying to add it here because I want to have as much money saved at the end of this year as possible. Technically, my year budgeting isn't until the end of February, but I want to end the year off strong. This has been a really sacrificial year for me. I've turned down so many trips and, you know, things that I would normally spend my money on for, you know, to save face. Like, I've spent so many years living like that. And so this year I decided I'm not going to be in the same place financially. So I've had to give up some things. So I really want to be able to feel it at the end of the year and have a pretty nice nest egg saved. So I'm adding 3 $10 bills here to my $10 challenge. And can we just talk about how quick this is adding up? Like, I already have $140 in this, and you can hardly tell. It's just extra money that I throw in here. Alrighty, so last but not least, we have our 100 envelope challenge. And I already did 2 numbers. I came across some extra money this week, so I went ahead and stuffed number 100, and I believe number 60 it was. So yeah, those are already stuffed. So I only picked 5 more numbers. I didn't want to overdo it. I wanted to still, you know, stay pretty realistic. So here, let's do it like this. So first up, we're going to be doing number 17. We're going to do number 27. I'm going to mark them off all first because last time I forgot one. I think it was 29, but I don't know. I'll check it. Number 23. Number 34. And number 98. Okay. So up first here we have number 17. And for this one, I'm just going to do a 20. I did not have enough change to break all of these down, so some of them I'll be adding additional money. Sorry if you hear the loud cars next door. Again, ratchet neighbors. Alrighty, next up is number 27. So we're going to do 20, 2, 4, 6, and 7. Okay. This challenge has been really fun to do, and it is really keeping me motivated to save. Like, I want to fill these envelopes up so bad, it's ridiculous. So number 23, 20, 2, and 3. Alrighty. If I can get it open here. All right, next up is 34. So 20, 30, 32, 34. It's $34. Alrighty, and last up is 98, and I didn't want to break this 100 down, so we're just gonna go ahead and put 100 in here. We'll count it as extra. I won't miss that $2. Might as well save it, right? So there are my 5 numbers, plus my other 2 that I added last time. And so here's all the envelopes I've done so far. I'm super stoked about it. Let me add these up because I need to put them on my tracker. So 98, 34, 23, 27, and 17. So we put in $199 today. And these are the envelopes we have left. Quite a few, but we still have a month or so, maybe about 2 months to get through them. So that's it, y'all. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Heavy on the subscribe and the like, okay? Y'all have a good day. Bye. Hey y'all, so we are doing a back to school giveaway courtesy of Boss Mama Budgets. It is me and a few other ladies on YouTube. To win this giveaway, all you need to do is be publicly subscribed to my channel, 18 years old, and leave a comment on how this giveaway will help you. And we're giving away $35 each in any form you like, a gift card, Cash App, PayPal, whatever. And up next, you will see all the ladies that are a part of this giveaway. Again, shout out to Boss Mama Budgets for coming through on this one. We have Taylor Budgets. We have Brianna's Life in Budgets. We have The Crafty Budgeter. We have Mel's Budget Life, Budget with Friends, and myself. So make sure you enter, guys. All right, thanks.